MOGAS Industries is the most trusted severe service technology company for heavy oil processes and trusted partner of technology licensors. Known for custom-engineered solutions, MOGAS Systems Consulting, commonly known as MS&C, designs and builds modular process units for critical refining applications. Traditional refinery units are constructed on-site in a stick-built fashion. MS&C's approach is to completely build a modular process unit off-site in a controlled environment and provide delivery of a complete system that has a superior design, increased safety, and push-button availability. MS&C modules drive down both capital expenses and operating expenses. Key to reliable modules are reliable valves. MS&C modules feature MOGAS severe service valves. MOGAS is known for partnering with its customers to meet the ever-increasing challenges of severe service applications. MOGAS valves are customized for specific applications and typically include special trim materials, patented coatings, and custom purging configurations. MS&C designs and manufactures fully automated purge systems for heavy fouling applications. Additional benefits unique to MS&C modules include construction engineers and industry experts whose knowledge is shared amongst the core team. This provides consistency between projects and builds upon continuous improvements. Commercial and technical project execution excellence. Aftermarket support from our MOGAS service and reliability team, whose motto is anytime, anywhere. And a performance guarantee, in addition to standard warranties on components that the modular unit will perform as intended. When it comes to modular process units, MS&C has the technology, the industry knowledge, first-class customer support, and innovative designs to keep your people safe and your processes running at maximum capacity. To better understand how MS&C modular process units can improve your plant's operations, contact us at msc@mogas.com. At MOGAS, our purpose is to make a meaningful impact on each other, our customers, and the industries we serve.